In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook account. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on actually anything you're using, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly open up your Facebook application. If you're signed into any profile, make sure to just log out of it. And then on the bottom, you're going to see create new account. So just go ahead and click on that. Now it's going to look like this. It's going to say you can either find an account or create a new one. Go ahead and press that. Then you can choose any name you want. So I'm just going to do something like this. And then all you got to do is press next. It says make sure to enter your real life name. Then all you got to do is enter your date of birth. So we'll just do this one for an example. Go ahead and press next. And then it's going to ask for your gender. You can also choose more options if you don't want to use male or female. And then all you're going to do is press next. And then you can use your mobile number, but it says no one will see this in your profile. Or you can also sign up with an email address instead if you want to. And then from there, you'll be able to, basically just add anything you need to your profile, and then you'll be good to go and signed in. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.